G'day all. Righto, so bit of an update for everybody. The filiard boards 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 have been completed. They are just sitting there, so they're not locked in and all that sort of guff. You'll notice there's a distinct difference in height between here and here, hence all of the yard trackage and yard sub base has been removed. I'm going to move up the height out of this. The other thing is going to put in a control panel in here, in that area there, and then I'll probably cut out some little access holes in there to put the controllers, the DCC controllers, just not somewhere to just store them in operation, so they're not hanging, sitting here, for example, or sitting on the layout, even worse. So that just gives it a place to do. And of course, the other thing is you can sit here and you can see that yard throat, which will give you sort of visual distance to everything. So you can see here, these are just plonked here, but that's roughly the angle to go into these boards. I'm going to cut out these little sections here, and I've got a little process here for the clips, and I'll show you that a little bit later. We move on, so let's go. Righto. So the addition of the height produces a couple of good advantages. The blocks here can actually sit underneath now, which is good. There is 8 tracks available, so they fit in there okay. The edges here are going to have a fence on them, but I'll lay the track first. The track going across the joins here will be done using PCB boards soldered onto the PCB board and then cut. And then this will be a process of a sort of like a fork and a dowel here that'll stop damage to the ends. The other thing, on these corners, I have thought of a better way of using the clips. So you've got your blank end clip here, and that'll sit in like so, flush to the very edge of the board, which means that you can have a male section of the clip sit there, and therefore when you're assembling it, you basically put this board here on the very edge, assemble it, or put it where it is, and then you butt this board up to it, put that clip obviously homes into the female end of this one, and then you've got space here to actually clip it closed, and that'll bring these two joins in nice and tight. Happy days. So same deal over here. I've done the same thing. I just need to do a little bit of a cutout here, and I'll do the same deal, and then the same deal on that side there. I haven't cut the hole in there yet. That's the next job, and you can actually see the height difference. There's the original mouse hole. This is all just sort of sitting here, but that'll go up to that height. Right, and then you can sort of see from back here. There you go. And there's a proposed ladder track. It's not 100%. There you go. Other things that have arrived. These from SDS. Awesome little wagons. I don't think I'd ever see these suckers in existence, but there you go. Here they are, ready to run. Here's something groovy. Here's the hoops. Yep, they are flexible. What a great idea. Yeah, all right, that's it. Have a good one. Cheers.